Look at that. It's 100 series. How did it even get here?
Phase 1, clear the vines and assess the frame.
I'll take the chassis inspection.
And I'll start on the engine bay cleanup. Let's do this.
Pressure is stabilizing now.
The frame is moving back into alignment. We have restoration.
Lower it slowly.
Does that bolt line up yet?
Not quite. Needs to come towards me here. There.
Okay, the pressure's holding now. It was definitely loose at the race. It actually worked.
We did it.
I can't believe it.
After all these years. Yes, that is perfect response. Look at that, unbelievable. She lives, listen to that.
I told you we'd get her going.
To the jungle and back. Listen to that purr. We actually pulled it off.
A true legend reborn.
See you later, team.
Go, go, go. Good luck out there.
I told you it would make it. What a beast.
After all this time,
I can't believe we actually did it.
we earned this one, boys. Okay, team, she's here. Let's get her inside and start the inspection.
The vines have held the front clip together. Look here.
Got it. The windscreen seal failed decades ago.
This restoration will be challenging.
Look at the finish on these fenders. Absolutely flawless.
Yes, they are perfect. We can start fitting the doors this afternoon.
This engine is perfect, completely redone. We are ready for the install now.
It's absolutely flawless.
Worth every hour we put in.
Pura vida, Mae. Está increíble.